we now learn how to teach a program with this with a circle. We first create a new program. CRL. Test out too. Okay. Great. Okay. Moving. We first record the first 第一个点取一下，OK。好，移到的时候要起始点的时候，你告诉我一下，听一下啊。好了吗 ？OK， we to the first 2 point， 然后下来。好了吗 ？OK， we record the 3 point use the first， OK， first， 再靠上去，慢慢的。到了吗 ？OK， to here， we use the line。We 4 point use the line, choose line. Okay, then open choose the arc on. Here is wedding start, right? Arc on, then moving.到了吗？往上面去一点，往上面下来一点，过来往这边来。OK， then here is start, here is middle. We choose the circle middle. Here is this button. 点一下。Here is create a circle the middle, right? Then we now do moving here.到了吗 ？OK， 还是3 point， 3，都往后退一点。那到啊，你看汉斯，对，这边。We choose the end. We choose the end. Here is start, middle, end. Here choose end. Okay. We next do to the middle. Okay, here is 3. We now choose the middle. Then do the 4. Here is the end. Okay. we choose circle the end. We now do this. Here is the master arc off. Choose the arc off. Then we use the fast moving. Go down. Go up. Okay. Choose the fast. Then let the robot go 0. Okay. Then choose the fast. Okay, we know the program is teach master save it. Master save it. Okay. We choose the first one. Then use the we also change the speed. 时间速度改一下。第一个，这个，就这个。choose 20。不对 ，OK， 好，下一个也改一下。20。OK， choose the first one。OK， 那几个？
就2个灯。就2个灯。
OK。Then we choose the auto model. Choose the auto model. Then we start running. Here is running. We must stop it. Then press this one. Run. Press.好，然后再走一遍。